All right. Let's dive into a topic that many of us can relate to. Let's talk about those love handles, the bane of many people's fitness journeys. Those stubborn pockets of padding that just seem to hang around no matter how many crunches you do. They can be incredibly frustrating. They're like unwelcome guests that overstay their welcome, making it hard to button your jeans and even harder to feel confident in your own skin. It's a common struggle. We've all been there, staring in the mirror, wondering how those extra inches snuck their way onto our waistlines. It's frustrating, right? You might even feel like you're doing everything right, but those love handles just won't budge. You try to eat right, you try to squeeze in a workout, but those love handles just refuse to budge. It can feel like a never-ending battle. Well, I'm here to tell you, there's hope. You don't have to live with those love handles forever. It's time to evict those stubborn tenants and reclaim your waistline. With the right approach, you can make a real difference. No more quick fixes or fad diets. We're going to do this the right way, with sustainable habits that'll have you feeling healthier and more energized than ever before. It's about making lasting changes. So, buckle up, grab a glass of water, no sugar of course, and get ready to discover the secrets to finally conquering those love handles. Together, we'll embark on a journey to a healthier, more confident you. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, the food, the workouts, the whole shebang, we gotta address the elephant in the room: crash diets. They're tempting, I get it. Promises of rapid weight loss, shedding pounds like it's nothing. But let me tell you something, those promises are as empty as a politician's promise. Crash diets are like a one-night stand. Exciting in the moment, but leaving you feeling empty and unsatisfied in the long run. They mess with your metabolism, deplete your energy, and often lead to what we call the yo-yo effect. You lose weight fast, only to gain it back and then some, just as quickly. Trust me, you're better off building sustainable habits that nourish your body and support long-term health. All right, let's talk about food, the good stuff. We all love to eat, but did you know that some foods can actually help you burn more calories just by eating them? The key to losing those love handles is to fuel your body with the right kind of fuel, the kind that not only nourishes you, but also boosts your metabolism. The kind that fires up your metabolism and helps you burn calories more efficiently. Imagine eating and burning calories at the same time. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter thermic foods. These bad boys require more energy to digest, meaning your body burns more calories just by breaking them down. It's like having a mini workout session every time you eat. Think of it as giving your metabolism a little kick in the pants. It's a natural and effective way to boost your calorie burning potential. Protein is king when it comes to thermic foods. Not only does it help build and repair muscles, but it also has the highest thermic effect of all the macronutrients. Aim for around 0.73 to 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. That's about 1.6 to 1.8 grams per kilogram for all you metric system folks. This ensures you're getting enough to support your metabolism and muscle maintenance. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes, all packed with protein and essential nutrients. These foods not only help you feel full, but also keep your metabolism running high. And don't forget about whole unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These are packed with fiber, which also has a thermic effect and helps keep you full longer. These are your body's best friends, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. So next time you plan your meals, think about incorporating more thermic foods to give your metabolism that extra boost. Now let's talk about the villain of our story, sugar. This sneaky culprit hides in plain sight, lurking in processed foods, sugary drinks, and even those healthy snacks marketed as guilt-free. But don't be fooled, sugar is anything but innocent. It spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance, which, my friends, is a one-way ticket to Love Handle City. So, how do you fight back against this sweet saboteur? Simple, cut it out. Ditch the sodas, sugary drinks, and processed foods loaded with added sugars. Read those labels carefully. Sugar hides under many names, so be on the lookout. Section 5. Refining your carbs, a balancing act. Carbs often get a bad rap, but the truth is, not all carbs are created equal. While some can be detrimental to your health, others are essential for your well-being. It's the refined carbs, the ones stripped of their nutrients and fiber, that we need to be wary of. These are the carbs that can lead to weight gain and other health issues. These sneaky devils, found in white bread, pasta, and most breakfast cereals, are quickly converted into sugar by your body, spiking your blood sugar levels and contributing to those dreaded love handles. They can also lead to energy crashes, making you feel tired and sluggish. But hold on, before you swear off carbs for good, there's good news. Not all carbs are the enemy. Complex carbs found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are your friends. These carbs are packed with nutrients and fiber, which are essential for a healthy diet. They provide sustained energy, keep you feeling full, and won't send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. Instead, they help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. So, ditch the refined carbs and embrace the complex ones. Think brown rice, quinoa, oats, and sweet potatoes. These foods not only taste great, but also support your overall health. Your body will thank you for it. By making this simple switch, you'll feel more energetic, maintain a healthier weight, and improve your overall well-being. Section 6. Fiber up, your gut's best mate. Now let's talk about fiber, the unsung hero of a healthy diet. Fiber is like the cleaning crew of your digestive system, keeping things moving and grooving, and it's a powerful ally in the fight against love handles. Soluble fiber in particular is a rock star. It absorbs water in your digestive system, forming a gel-like substance that slows down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. And the best part? It's been shown to help reduce visceral fat, the dangerous kind that accumulates around your organs, including your belly. So, where can you find this magical fiber? Look no further than Brussels sprouts, beans, broccoli, oats, and flax seeds, all packed with soluble fiber and other essential nutrients. Section 7. Fat is not the enemy, choosing the right kind. For years, we've been told that fat is the enemy, the culprit behind weight gain and those dreaded love handles. But guess what? That's just not true. Healthy fats are essential for a healthy body and a healthy weight. They help regulate hormones, boost metabolism, and keep you feeling satisfied after meals. The key is to choose the right kind of fats. Ditch the trans fats found in processed foods and fried goodies. Instead, embrace the good guys, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Think avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, fatty fish like salmon and tuna, and even a little bit of dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Section 8. Beyond the crunch compound exercises for the win. All right, let's get physical. Now that we've got our diet in check, it's time to fire up those muscles and torch those love handles. And no, I'm not talking about endless crunches or those fancy ab machines. While targeted exercises like crunches have their place, they're not the most effective way to lose love handles. The key is to focus on compound exercises, movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Think squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, push-ups, rows, and lunges. These exercises work your entire body, burning more calories, building more muscle, and boosting your metabolism long after your workout is done. Section 9. HIIT hard short bursts, big results. If you're short on time and want to maximize your calorie burn, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is your new best friend. It's like the espresso shot of workouts. Short, intense, and guaranteed to leave you feeling energized. HIIT workouts typically involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training is highly effective for burning fat, including those stubborn love handles. Think burpees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, and sprints. Anything that gets your heart rate up and your muscles working hard. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of HIIT after your strength training session, 2 to 3 times a week. Section 10. Sleep your way to a slimmer waistline. That's right, you can actually sleep your way to a slimmer waistline. Who knew? Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, hormone regulation, and overall health. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark, quiet, and cool, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Your body will thank you for it. Section 11. Cheers to moderation, alcohol and love handles don't mix. I enjoy a cold one every now and then, but the truth is, alcohol and love handles don't mix. Alcohol is essentially empty calories devoid of any nutritional value. And those calories tend to go straight to your belly, contributing to, you guessed it, love handles. Not only that, but alcohol can also interfere with your body's ability to burn fat, making it even harder to shed those unwanted inches. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up alcohol entirely, but moderation is key. If you do choose to drink, do so in moderation and opt for clear spirits over sugary cocktails. Section 12. Intermittent fasting. A glimpse into a powerful tool. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, typically for a certain number of hours each day or days each week. This eating pattern has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. While it's not a magic bullet, it can be a powerful tool when combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine. There are various methods of intermittent fasting, such as the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. Section 13. Ready, set, reclaim your waistline. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to finally conquering those love handles and reclaiming your waistline. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that nourish your body, fuel your workouts, and help you feel your absolute best. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, put these tips into practice, and watch those love handles melt away. You've got this.